So it's Sunday, and we are trying to figure out what to do for the week's meals ahead. And we have these free turkeys that we got every time we spent $100 at a grocery store over the last month, which happens every time we go to the grocery store. Anyways, I have taken the turkey out of the freezer a couple days ago and gotten it defrosted and cleaned it. Of course, taken all of the parts out of either end, washed it, put the roasting pan. We have a convectional oven, so it is currently preheating. And anyways, we're going to do some things a little differently today than you would normally see when we're roasting a traditional Thanksgiving turkey. And I'm doing this so I can, one, have dinner for my family today on a Sunday dinner, and then also use the meat for dinners and lunches throughout the week, the rest of the week. And we're going to do a few things unusual. So my kitchen is a disaster currently as we are doing this remodel. But we're going to be shaking it down because we are a military family. We lived everywhere. My husband loves some Creole seasoning. This is Teddy Chachere's original Creole seasoning, and just the original, so not too spicy for the kids, but just all over, and then rubbing that in, and then of course getting that underneath the skin as well. I do recommend separating the skin from the breast to get underneath with the butter and the spices against the meat directly, because if you just put it on the skin, it's, as soon as you cook it and take that skin off, it doesn't do much. But once you get it directly on the meat and it cooks in, that's where the flavor gets the best. So yeah, just separate that skin and stick your hand all up against that breast. And it also keeps your turkey breast warm, or turkey breast moist, when you get the butter in there. So here is our seasoned and buttered bird. So there's Tony Chachere's, as well as some poultry seasoning and a buttered breast underneath the skin. And now we are going to get to the most non-traditional part for the Pacific Northwest, in which I am going to my hand is not clean, but so I use a tool, but we're going to add the mayo here. We are going to mayo our bird. And just got to get our skin nice and crispy and keep the bird completely moist. And yeah, we will cover it in foil and stick it in the oven. These legs back in. And I do leave the butt on during the cooking process for gravy. I also cook my giblets and my neck down for extra meat in my gravy. And that is a bird ready to roast at 325 convection. for a nice Sunday dinner. So a little bit of time has passed and it's about halfway cooked. I'm just going to be checking this now. It's time to take the foil off. Foil should come off after about an hour being in the oven. Fortunately, I've let this go on a little too long because kids and laundry. See, we've got a little bug on the floor.
Wow. 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 Wow.
I'm just going to
Oh.
slowly peel this back.
Oh. Are you making a video?
And already smell that. Got another.
The phone cannot smell.
Smells delicious already. But a little bit time left and we will have a nice turkey dinner. And lots of meat for the rest of the week. Casserole, some roll-ups for lunch, lots of food. Oh, there it is, you guys, for your viewing pleasure. And now we're gonna tent it and let it rest while we finish our mashed potatoes. And this bird did not create much drippings for gravy, so I'm going to use a gravy mix so we can have some gravy with our potatoes. But you can see how nicely seasoned that breast is, even on the inside.